Custodians at a Minnesota college led police to some disturbing discoveries, and now a former St. Olaf student faces some serious charges. Fox 9's Rose Schmidt live for us in Northfield tonight. So, Rose, the school pretty concerned about these findings.
Yeah, and Northfield's police chief tells me the suspect was planning something, but he stopped short of saying it was an event planned for campus. A St. Olaf spokesperson confirmed to us that no guns were found. New court documents show custodians at St. Olaf College found empty packages for high-capacity magazines in a campus garbage can last week. That began an investigation that led prosecutors to charge 20-year-old Waylon Kurts with 3 felonies, including terroristic threats. The college says he was a student but is now banned from campus. This webpage shows Kurts was on the men's cross-country team, but the information has since been removed. Charging documents show St. Olaf's public safety searched Kurtz's room and found a tactical vest, knives, and empty boxes of magazine drums and ammo. Kurtz told campus officials he was a gun enthusiast and thought he was able to have the equipment. Police say they also found a hand-drawn map of the campus rec facility showing an exit path, as well as a detailed plan to steal ammo from Walmart and notes on which body parts make good shooting targets. The court documents allege Kurtz texted a co-conspirator about how to ship packages so they wouldn't be flagged as suspicious. There were also photos of a box of rifle magazines on a campus bench with the text, quote, "Kids have got no idea what's in here, ha ha." A spokesperson for St. Olaf tells Fox 9 it's cooperating with Northfield Police. A message was also sent to the campus community last week saying the news is unsettling and raises many questions, but police don't believe there's an ongoing threat to campus safety. I also spoke with Kurtz's defense attorney on the phone today. He tells me there are holes in this case, and he believes the investigation will show Kurtz is not a threat or a harm to anybody, and that he will be exonerated. Reporting live in Northfield, Rose Schmidt, Fox 9.
Okay, so y'all just heard that audio right there, and I don't know what the hell is going on between the video that I did about that James, I forgot his last name, the one that happened in North Carolina A&T. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Going up there with a whole bunch of weapons, and luckily they got him before he could do anything or plan to do anything. And now you have this guy right here who was literally had a whole bunch of stuff and broadcasted it like they were going to do something. I don't care if they were not planning on doing anything. From the optics of it all, they look like they were planning something. And the fact that they stopped them is all that matters. But I don't know. It's, like I said, it's some weirdos out here. It's some weirdos out here who have some of the most weirdest fetishes with things such as that. If you want to be, listen, if you want to be a gun enthusiast, go ahead and be one. But what the hell made you think it was a good idea to have all of that stuff on that campus? I mean, if you wasn't going to get caught now, then you was probably going to get caught eventually. And then you were sending these messages saying these kids have no idea what I've got here. That sounds very ominous and sinister, like you are plotting to do something. Like, what is someone supposed to expect or think when they see something like that or hear something like that? Now, they said this happened in Minnesota at a place called St. Olaf College. And thank God this custodian who was working there tipped off the police. Because if it wasn't for that tip, who knows what this guy would have gotten away with. But like I said, these people are insane, and his lawyers and his attorneys, they're going to lie through their teeth trying to say that it's not that big of a deal. Or, excuse me? Did you hear the things that they said he had? They said they found a tactical vest, empty boxes for ammunition and magazines, a tactical knife, a folding knife, firearm muffs, 6 propane canisters, fireworks, lighter fluid, a battery with wires, and a lock pick set. Does that sound like someone's not doing something? Or are you prepared to insult our intelligence and say, oh, he was bringing it in for show and tell? This is not elementary school. This guy was prepared to possibly do something. I'm glad that he got kicked out of the school and that he's been arrested and he needs to be charged with everything that they possibly can throw at him, and his ass needs to be locked up. They say he was charged with conspiracy to commit second-degree assault and conspiracy to commit threats of violence, making terroristic threats, and planning a theft. I like the fact that they put in there that making terroristic threats, and I think that was where that text came from when he was talking about the kids have no idea what's in here, because that sounds very threatening to me, especially considering all the stuff that they did find.